Hello friends, today I am going to take you through a temple which is very famous and it's called Thiruvanaikovil. We call it Thiruvanaikkavil or Thiruvanaikovil in Tamil and it is in Trichy. So it is situated on the northern banks of Kaveri river on the Srirangam island and it's one of the very famous temples in Srirangam circle. The island Srirangam is surrounded by the Kaveri river to the south and the Kolidam river to the north. So it is water rich place as you know. The Kolidam is the northern distributary of the Kaveri river and the temple is actually called as Sri Jambugeshwara temple and is located here. The temple's main god is Lord Shiva and the goddess is Agilandeshwari. It is also referred as one of the very important Panchabhuta Sthalams. There are five elements. Water is the major element here and water is the presiding element in this temple. There is a freshwater spring underneath Lord Shiva here which is the main deity and it is believed that the jamun fruit will be ripening every day from the tree in the temple and the same will be served for the deity as the first offering. That's called prasada. This temple is very huge and it needs at least 2 hours for somebody to visit this temple completely. I'm going to take you through the temple right now and this is such a huge temple. You really need a lot of time. The architecture, the sculptures, the complete details are all really wonderful and you will really fall in love with this temple. This temple is really built and maintained in such a neat way. It's really very nicely maintained, I would say. And there is no much crowd due to COVID restrictions and other things, but still, the temple is a very famous one. You can see that the way the sculptures are all maintained and way it has been carved. Lord Vinayaka is here and it's really beautiful. So I had the opportunity to spend about 2.5 hours here today and it's really stunning. So each and every individual stuff over here is well managed, well maintained, and it will be a treat for the eyes of people who visit it. So that's what I'm showing you right now. I believe that you guys can visit it out. It's very close to Trichy, and it's in Srirangam. So if you can often, most of us often will visit Ranganatha temple, and we may not visit this temple, but it's a request that you should also go to this temple so that you can see the beautiful architecture and the powerful God. So you can see that I'm taking you through the temple right now. I walked in inside the temple and I'm taking you through. It's a very old architecture, very neatly maintained, very old architecture, and you will definitely fall in love with this place. People are all very courteous here, and they spend a lot of time. They allow you to spend a lot of time inside even Lord Shiva's place. They are not pushing you out of the temple. That's one good thing about here. So since there is no much crowd, we can spend a lot of time here. And this is one of the Panchabhutam Sthalams, as I told you already, and water is in abundance in this place. And there are a lot of notice boards which are available here and there, which helps you to understand what exactly is the temple all about. So I'm going to take you through the next round of the temple right now, and you will definitely love that too. This is the way through which we can reach Lord Agilandeshwari. So see the way the temple has been built. Civil engineering is at its best. The planning is at its best. So all these are really marvelous, and I believe that it should be definitely spent with a lot of time to understand the complete heritage and the value of this temple. You see the smallest of the carvings in the pillars here. See that out here. Beautiful. And visit this place. Do not be in a hurry to complete everything out here. It needs a lot of time. Minimum of 2 hours is what I would suggest you to spend here, and I hope you will definitely love this place. This is very close to Srirangam. It's about 1.5 kilometers from Srirangam bus stand, if I'm correct. And if you have any questions on this, you can probably type it in the comment section. I'll be able to clarify and help you out. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. I'll come back to you with another content very soon.